Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by creating a real project. You don't waste time configuring trivial preferences. Install Xcode or the Swift toolchain and verify Swift version. Next, run Swift package init type executable to scaffold a runnable app. Once done, open package. Swift and define your target and any dependencies so the build knows what to include. Make sure to organize sources and tests folders. Finally, build immediately with Swift build to catch early errors and confirm the project runs. You now write the core logic with clear intent. Start in sources/main. Swift and keep functions small. Use structs for data, enums for state, and protocols to define behavior so your code remains testable and flexible. Once you draft a function, run Swift test or use playgrounds to validate results quickly. Make sure to handle optionals safely with if let or guard and prefer value types for predictable behavior. Refactor frequently to eliminate duplication and improve readability as you go. You finish by building and running. Swift build, then Swift run to exercise the app end-to-end. When issues appear, read compiler messages first. They often show the fix. Use Swift test to add or run unit tests, and when deeper inspection is needed, attach LLDB or insert focused prints. Once stable, profile and optimize hotspots, especially memory and async code. If something breaks, rerun the failing test in isolation. That single-step isolation often reveals the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.